Good morning, lovelies. Today I'm going to be filming my updated skincare routine. Girl, and has it been working? I don't know if y'all be paying attention, but my dark spots, oh my goodness, they're disappearing slowly and slowly, and I'm loving it. So I'm going to start off by washing my hands, of course. Okay, y'all about to think I'm crazy for doing this, but I'm about to wash my face with no water for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna activate it. So I still do use this product. I love this product. I don't think I'll ever stop using this product. Like, I really, really, really love this. This is my favorite face wash ever. It's my favorite. So I was watching this YouTube video, and the lady that I was watching was like, when we use water to wash our face, that creates a barrier between your face and the product. So she came up with washing her face. Well, I don't know if she came up with it, but that's what I saw it from. Washing her face without the product, without the water. So I was like, let me try that. I tried it. Girl, has it been doing me wonders. Has it been doing me wonders. So yes, 30 seconds. Well, I usually do 30 seconds on the bottom and 30 seconds on the top. Because if I do 30 overall, I'm not going to hit the spots that I should be hitting. Like right there, right there. The sides of my face, like really close to my ear. We tend to miss a lot of spots when we wash our face. And it's going to feel really tacky and like really dry. And I have my window open, so it's like drying like crazy. So let me just activate this. I don't think that was 30 seconds, but I couldn't even move it because of how dry it was getting. So I'm adding water. Now I'm gonna do another 30 on the bottom, another 30 on the top, and it's actually gonna be 30 this time. After that, I'm gonna move on to my next face wash. And this is the last face wash that I use. I only use 2 face washes now. Like, I don't do too much because I realized I do not need all of those products. Like, I was just being extra thinking that I needed them, when really this is really changing the game. Like, I don't think you understand. Like, this side of my face used to look so horrible. Now I'm going to use this scrub. It is the Pure Sugar Scrub by L'Oreal. This stuff smells so good. I'm like running out. This stuff smells, oh my gosh, it just smells so bomb. So bomb. So bomb. And basically, I'm gonna use this until I can't feel the beads anymore. That's usually how it works for me. I tried to time it, but Now I'm gonna wash all of that off. Now I'm gonna do the last part of my skincare routine. But let me use some cocoa butter because my lips feeling really super dry. I like this over Vaseline. So I'm putting alcohol on a paper towel. And I'm gonna scrub my face with this. This is gonna burn, just to let y'all know. And I'm gonna use it to go behind my ears. And behind my neck. After that, I'm gonna take some witch hazel. And I'm gonna rub that into my face too. The alcohol and this is really helping with my dark marks. Like, this is really what I could thank for it, because the other products I've been using before, the only thing that I really switched up is the alcohol and the witch hazel. I used to use witch hazel, but then I stopped because I didn't think it was doing anything. But it is a toner. Now y'all know I gotta use my tea tree oil, and that's the last step. I'm not gonna put that much because it is super hot outside, and like my skin is already naturally oily. So I'm only gonna use a little bit. At this point, this is really just a moisturizer for me. Before you come get a session, what you know about? Yes, so that is my updated skincare routine. My skin is looking a million times better than before when I used to do my other skincare routine. And I'll give you a close-up. Y'all see all this texture. Like, I still have problems to deal with, but my skin is getting so much clearer. So yes, thank you lovely people for watching. Please tune in next time, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.